Imagine waking up every morning with unstoppable energy, no more dragging yourself out of bed, no more reaching for coffee just to feel alive. What if you could flip a natural switch inside your body that instantly boosts your focus, energy, and mood without pills, without caffeine, and without burning out? This isn't some biohacker gimmick or a placebo trick. This is a science-backed protocol used by Navy SEALs, Olympic athletes, and elite performers, straight from cutting-edge neuroscience. In this video, we'll reveal the exact mechanism inside your brain that dictates your daily energy levels and how to control it. You'll learn one simple, free daily practice that triggers your body's natural energy generator. Once you understand it, you'll never go a day without it again. Stick around because at the end, we'll share advanced hacks to supercharge this routine, especially if you live in a cloudy area, have a demanding schedule, or suffer from low mood or fatigue. If you've been feeling tired, foggy, or low energy, even with a full night's sleep, this might be the missing piece you've never been told about. Hit the like button if you're ready to take full control of your energy, and drop a comment saying, "I'm in," if you're committing to this daily shift. Let's dive in. Have you ever asked yourself, why am I still tired even after sleeping 8 hours? The answer isn't always more sleep, more supplements, or more caffeine. The problem is often that your internal energy clock, your circadian rhythm, is completely out of sync with your environment. The result, you wake up groggy, your brain feels foggy, and your motivation is stuck in neutral. But here's the true thing: your body already has an internal system designed to wake you up like a natural alarm clock. The key lies in a hormone called cortisol. Now, cortisol often gets a bad rap. It's labeled the stress hormone, and most people try to reduce it. But that's only half the story. When released at the right time, specifically within the first hour of waking, cortisol acts as your natural energy booster. It jumpstarts your metabolism, sharpens your focus, strengthens your immune system, and tells your brain it's go time. But if that cortisol spike happens too late, say because you stayed indoors all morning or scrolled your phone in bed, it can wreck your energy levels, delay your sleep that night, and throw off your rhythm for days. So how do we fix this? How do we command our internal rhythm to release energy at the right time? The answer lies in a simple, powerful daily habit. Getting sunlight within the first 30, 60 minutes of waking. No pills, no subscriptions, just light. And it works. Let's break down how it works and exactly how to do it right. Understand the energy cortisol connection. The first 60 minutes after you wake up are critical. Your brain is in a highly sensitive state, scanning your environment to figure out, is it time to be awake or still asleep? Here's the key mechanism. As your body temperature naturally starts to rise in the morning, your brain wants to release cortisol, but it needs a signal to fully activate. That signal comes from light, specifically bright, natural sunlight. Inside your eyes are special neurons called melanopsin containing retinal ganglion cells. Don't worry, you don't need to memorize that. Just know these cells act like morning switches. They tell your brain that it's daytime. When bright light hits them, they fire signals to a brain area called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, SCN. This is your brain's central clock, located just above the roof of your mouth. The SCN then triggers a cascade of energy-related hormones, including that crucial morning cortisol spike. The result, your metabolism revs up, your mental focus improves, your physical energy increases. And this is big. It starts a timer for your brain to release melatonin 14 or 16 hours later so you can sleep at night. No sunlight, no signal, no energy. How to do it right? You don't need to stare into the sun. Please don't. But you do need to get outside and let sunlight hit your eyes without sunglasses for at least 5 to 30 minutes. Depending on the weather, here's a simple protocol on clear, sunny days, 10 minutes outside facing the sun. On cloudy days, 10-20 minutes. Cloud cover diffuses the light, so you need longer exposure. On overcast or rainy days, 230 minutes. More time is needed, but you'll still get enough light. Through windows. Doesn't count. Glass filters out essential wavelengths. Driving. Also not good enough. Windshields block too much light. If you wear glasses or contacts, that's totally fine. Just skip the sunglasses during this time. The goal is to saturate your eyes with natural light. Can't get outside right away. Do your best. Take your coffee to the porch. Walk your dog. Stand on a balcony. Even just stepping out your front door is better than staying inside. Consistency is more important than perfection. Try to do this at least 80% of the time. What if it is still dark when you wake up? If you are up before sunrise or live in a dark northern region, you will need an alternative. This is where artificial light tools come in, but not just any lamp will do. You need a light source that emits at least 10,000 lux, a measure of light intensity. Regular room lights do not cut it, but tools like daylight simulators, $10 lux light therapy boxes, ring lights placed at eye level, can be solid replacements. Turn them on the moment you wake up. Face them for at least 10 minutes. Make it part of your morning ritual while journaling, eating breakfast, or getting ready. Once the sun rises, try to step outside and still get natural light. The hidden danger of artificial light at night here is the twist. Most people missing artificial light is your best friend in the morning and your worst enemy at night. In the evening, even small amounts of artificial light, your phone screen, overhead lights, TV, can confuse your brain into thinking it is still daytime. That delays melatonin release and wrecks your sleep. So while you want a blast of light early in the day, you want a dim wind down at night. That means avoid screen 12 hours before bed. Use dim red or amber light in your bedroom. Avoid bright LEDs after 8 p.m. Think of your circadian rhythm like a well-trained dog. If you keep giving it mixed signals, it starts misbehaving. But if you give it clear cues, bright light in the morning, dimness at night, it starts performing exactly as you want. Let's pause for a moment. Why does this even matter? Why go through the trouble of getting sunlight each morning? Because most people today are chronically drained. We wake up exhausted. We rely on caffeine. We crash by mid-afternoon. We toss and turn at night. We've normalized fatigue. We've accepted mental fog and low motivation as just part of life. But it's not normal. It's a warning sign. Your biology is not broken. It's out of sync. Your energy clock isn't aligned with your environment, and sunlight is the reset button. This is your chance to reclaim your mornings, to reprogram your body and mind to feel fully alive again. Getting sunlight each morning is free. It takes just a few minutes. It doesn't require supplements, expensive biohacks, or miracle pills. And yet, it could be the most transformative thing you do for your energy, sleep, mood, focus, even longevity. Ask yourself this: when was the last time you felt fully charged, clear-headed, and motivated all day long? You don't need to chase that feeling anymore. You can create it starting tomorrow morning. So here's your challenge tomorrow morning. Within 30 minutes of waking, step outside and get that sunlight, even if it's cloudy, even if it's cloudy, even if it's cold. Just do it. Stick with it for 7 days. Journal how you feel. Track your energy levels, your mood, your sleep quality. I guarantee you'll start to notice the shift. If you live in a dark region, invest in a light therapy box or use a ring light, but commit to sending your brain the wake up signal every single day. This is your body's built-in energy system, and now you know how to use it. If you found this valuable, smash that like button. It tells the algorithm you want more science-backed content like this. And comment, as you aligned, Shafe. If you're taking on this daily ritual starting tomorrow, Don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge neuroscience tools to upgrade your brain, your focus, your brain energy, and your life. Let's build a high-performance, energized life, one morning at a time.